Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to withdraw USDT from Weex. You want to withdraw your USDT? Follow me in this guide video and let's get started without waste any time. First of all, first open your Weex app and then choose your asset. When you choose the asset, guys, click this withdraw option. When you click on withdraw, choose your deposit network, TRC, for example, this one, and then choose the network. If you want to choose TRC20, and then guys, all you have to do, write your address. For example, you want to withdraw to Binance, just click your Binance address. For example, deposit crypto, choose your Binance address. Your USDT, for example, choose your USDT from here and then copy this address. Before that, choose your amount you want to withdraw, guys. For example, 200 USDT or 100 USDT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.